Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering up and checking essentials. Battery at least 50% and a stable Wi-Fi connection so the device stays online. Once done, use the Oculus mobile app to confirm which account is currently linked. This gives you control and prevents accidental lockouts. Now, put on the Quest 2 and press the Oculus button to access the universal menu. You need this menu to reach settings and proceed directly to account controls, not just device. You'll navigate settings to accounts or device then accounts. This is where user profiles live. Select the account you want to remove and choose Remove or Logout. This severs the headset's link to that Oculus ID. Make sure to confirm the prompt because removal often deletes locally stored app data and login tokens. That's why you verified the correct account in the app. After confirming, give the headset a moment to process and sign the account out cleanly. Once removed, reboot the headset to clear cached sessions and ensure the account is fully logged out. This prevents ghost logins. If the headset refuses to remove the account, use the Oculus mobile app to unlink the device remotely and only perform a factory reset as a last resort because it erases everything. If problems persist, make sure you have the account email and password ready so you can relink or restore purchases. Keeping credentials handy speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.